And yo, what's up guys, it's your boy Nelson. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm just testing out this camera. I have a GoPro on my head. This is actually my first time ever recording point of view shots using a GoPro. So y'all should tell me what you think of it. Do you prefer the old footage, or do you prefer this footage, or does it really not matter at all? I've been super sick, and today I actually feel a bit better. Or I mean, I'm still sick, but like I don't feel that sick right now. But what's going on today, y'all? Today we are actually going to meet up with Twinnzilla. I'm gonna just help him with some installations on his car. He already started most of it, so I'm just helping him with like the remaining 50% of install. Oh man, the sun is in my eye. Oh shit, you guys can see this? What? That's fire. Nah, that's fire. All right, and also y'all, I'm not really sure if it's a smart thing to take the RCF out right now, because yo, I came out of my house. When I was taking out the RCF, I looked down and there was frozen water on the floor. So if water is freezing at this temperature, that's already a red flag. This is definitely becoming more of a weekend car, and the colder it gets, it just means the less I drive it, unfortunately. Man, I wish it was warmer. Man, I miss the summertime, man. In the summertime, I would always huck in the summertime, but now that it's colder, I can't huck for shit. But also, I do need new tires. I would say I need new tires soon, but like not now, but like really soon. But I don't plan on buying them until like the summer, because I just want to get summer tires. So yeah. Oh man, this is the NYC traffic for you guys, right? I've heard about the LA traffic. How about the traffic in New York? You guys see this shit? Like, it's like, all right, now you cut me off, right? They're not gonna let you go. Now you're stopping me from going forward, fucking genius. Yo, now you're just causing more traffic. Yo, it's fool. I hate New York. I hate this place. People can't drive for shit. A lot of people dream to live in New York, but me, I want to get the fuck out of here. Nah, fuck. The fuck, man? You gonna hit me? The fuck? And this is why I hate New York. And we're finally on a fucking highway. Yo, finally. You guys know, I do not cut up. I could have easily just zoop, but like, you guys know, I'm not a fan of cutting up. So instead of cutting up, I just slow down, you feel me? Because it's not worth it. It doesn't make sense. Yo, there's water. Oh nah, there's water on the floor. Oh nah, bro, you're trying to kill me. Cold temperature plus water on the floor with an RCF, bro, that's a recipe for disaster. And more traffic, yay. Yeah, we are finally here. Just a look at the RCF. Yep, my front lip is still pretty good. All right, it's pretty good. All right, it still looks clean. And tomorrow I'm going to a car meet, so I'm glad that it looks clean right now, which probably means I'm not going to go and wash the car. Let's actually go all the way upstairs and meet the boy Austin. Make sure this shit's locked. All right, we're good. Imagine having this as your view. Fuck you, Austin. It must be nice, bro. What was funny? I came in, bro. I looked at these and I walked past them, bro.
You didn't even notice him?
I did, but at the same time, I did not, bro. Until now, bro.
Bro, you can
6
feel
months.
how sticky the tire is too. Like when you push on it, you see how it sticks to the tip of your finger.
Ah, fuck, bro, I'm stuck. Oh, nah, bro, shit's sticky,
This is what
bro.
you need.
Wait, these are called
Nito
NT
555R 2s.
55555 R2. What are you saying, bro?
So you drink this.
I drink
and
this.
You take these two.
I
You're
take
gonna feel
that.
back to normal within like an hour.
Oh, so like I'm feeling normal, bro.
Or normal.
Yo, this man is serving me some pills, man. So I take these 2 things, right? Thank you.
With this, yeah.
And with this,
it's gonna taste really better because I put vitamin C in it.
you guys see my face? Yo. I tell him I'm sick, right? Because I've been sick for like a week. And he gives me pills and orange juice. Something telling me that this is a bit more than orange juice.
Yeah, it is.
Something else is in this shit, right, bro?
Yeah.
Interesting. So guys, if this is the last upload,
Yeah,
you know who did it, all right? It's this guy over here. Well, he's not there anymore, but yeah. You got the point. You gotta see it, right? Braum. This is unfortunately not going in the RCF. It's going in the Q60. You motherfucker. Fucking fucker. Soon though, soon.
Don't worry,
soon.
once you get yours,
Soon.
I'll help you install it because I know how to do it now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It's mad easy.
It should
Once
take
you
like
know.
5 minutes, right?
I'm making a how-to video, so if anything, you can always do it. Yeah.
I'm gonna definitely use that shit, bro.
Bro, I already finished it. I just gotta edit it.
Copy, bro. Who's a good dog? Oh man, he blinged out. You gotta see this shit. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, this man's rich. This man's fucking rich, man. This man got the fucking view, the fucking dog, the fucking what the what?
I'm not rich.
It must be nice to own a Q, right?
To own a Q?
Yeah,
Hell
bro.
yeah.
Yeah.
One that's modded, because stock ones are dead.
I'm not gonna hold you, bro. Stock
Unless
ones, bro,
if your
aren't
Q
it,
is
bro?
stock, then that shit is dead.
What is this, bro?
That's a seat bracket.
The seat bracket. Ugh.
Bottom of the chair.
All right, guys, this is the seat bracket. This man has a whole scale, bro.
Oh, this one's lighter than the
Oh,
other
it's
one.
been
Was 8
lighter,
pounds.
bro.
The other one was 8 pounds. This one is 7.
Bro, that's some fucking
good.
weight reduction, bro. Weight reduction, okay. You hear that, Kato? He got a chair coming out. There's a chair coming out. Yeah, yeah. Bro, that's beautiful, bro.
Literally, it's so
Yo.
light. Look at this.
What? OEM could never.
Nah, hell no.
And we say that race cars are built in the fucking living room. You feel me, bro? You guys feel me? That's how we do it. In the fucking living room, on the fucking carpet. Feel me? And this is how we win races. This is exactly how. In Mexico, of course. In Mexico. Of course. You know, I'm gonna take this seat. I'm gonna put it right on the fucking scale. Why? That shit is light. Nah, I'm fucking around. But yeah, guys, this shit's light. I'm gonna place it in a way where we can see, and the seat weighs 26.1 pounds.
Yeah, the other seat was
Whoa.
the same weight. My OEM seats, they weigh like 75 to 80 pounds.
75 to.
So with this and the seat bracket, it comes out to what? 26 plus 8? That's 34 pounds.
34.
So
That's not bad.
I'm saving what, 41 pounds?
Yeah.
Each seat?
Yeah, 47
And
pounds.
So that's 82 pounds, and then it's 50 pounds for the rear seat. So what is that?
82.
That's 131 pounds. Technically, I saved off the car.
That's a lot of math
like
that I
almost
couldn't
a
do
whole car.
fast enough. But yeah, bro.
And then I took
That
all
is.
the shit out of my trunk too. I had
Oh, you gotta
100
empty.
pounds worth of shit in my trunk. So that's like 200.
I mean, if you start spinning, you may have to add some sandbags in your truck. I lied about the spinning, bro. I lied. All right. All right. Wrapping this seat like a Christmas gift. Feel me? One step at a time.
Bankai.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
no,
Chill,
safety,
chill.
safety.
Safety first.
Safety first.
Safety first, Kato. Safety first.
All right.
It's gonna be a nightmare if you accidentally.
Bro, I'd cry.
Nah, bro, I'm gonna cry for you, bro.
So yeah, if you guys want to know how to install these, I actually just recorded a YouTube video with one of my buddies, and I still gotta edit it, but that's gonna be next week's video. If you want to know, Nelson, if you need any help with your installations, whenever you do get seats, let me know. I'll be right there.
Oh yeah, that's a fact.
But
Of
yeah.
course, bro. Yeah, man, you guys see this? So it looks like Alcantara with some nice stitched leather.
Yeah.
Nah, this is actually fire. Nah, bro. Yo, I'm gonna be honest, right? This might look better than like some carbon fiber seats, bro.
You think so?
Yeah, bro.
All right, Nelson. Let me know how comfortable this seat is.
I gotta test it out. Hey, yo, bro, you company, bro? Chill.
Yeah, how does it feel?
Hold you, bro?
What happened?
Bro, it fucking holds me, bro.
Yeah?
Like, especially the cushioning here.
Yeah.
Like, I could tell that if I'm turning a corner, bro. Like,
Yeah, it's gonna hug you.
Yeah, it was just, bro, it's fucking hugging me
The
right
thing
now,
I'm
bro.
still getting used to is when you're getting in and out of the car, the sides like stick up pretty high, so it'll like you literally have to stand up a little bit before you get off of it, or else you're gonna like hit against the sides, you know, bro.
Please don't hurt me again. All right.
All right.
All right, buddy. All right, buddy. And all right, guys. So we are about to start assembling the seat. And all right, guys, I lied. I actually need a tripod in order to make this happen. So we actually came all the way downstairs to grab Austin's tripod from the queue. So yeah. And also, anyways, we could also take a look at the seat that he already installed in the queue. All right. Yo, man, you guys see this? Nah, this is actually freaking fire. Show car or race car? Or is it a show car and a race car?
Both.
It's both. Nah.
So you see, I leave the seatbelt on, and then I
Yeah.
take the seatbelt off the OEM one and put it on this one for
Nice.
now until I do the harness.
Guys, I forgot to say, he also doesn't have his back seats. Oh,
yeah, it's
shit.
all gutted back here.
It's all gone. But yeah, guys, so I'm in the seat right now, and bro, I'm not gonna hold you. It actually feels hella comfortable. The mats, trust
That's the
me.
company I was telling you about, bro. They wanted to sponsor you too.
I peeped the mats. Twinnzilla? Bro, this shit's a fucking clean, bro. Funny story about this company. They were trying to sponsor me too, but I never responded back. Well, so nah, bro, this shit's actually fire, bro. Damn, I should have responded back, bro.
You could still respond.
I should have,
back.
bro. I should have said, as a matter of fact, y'all, you know, as long as it says my name there, sure.
Shade.
All right, guys, about half an hour later, we have secured the sliding rail, the other sliding rail, and yeah, pretty much we could now adjust the seat. So this is what helps us move the seat forward and back. Yeah, so we did that. It wasn't too hard. It was pretty simple. But since this was my first time, it was a bit complicated. But of course, for Austin, it was kind of easy. What's up, kiddo? Yeah, so we are using Austin's unreleased how-to video to help us install the seats. This is so funny. This man's a fucking asshole. This man passes me everything, all the hardware, and says, "You know what, bro? You got it, bro."
That way, when you get your seats, you're gonna be a fucking professional.
Like, man, this is my first ever time assembling fucking racing seats. But you know what?
It's not hard, right?
I got it. I'm gonna stop talking. Let's get to it. Start assembling. All right, guys. We may or may not be in a little bit of a pickle.
You fucked up.
What you mean I fucked up, bro?
I mean, you fucked up.
What you, yo, bro? I've been what, bro? Like all this work in vain, bro?
Yes.
Bro, I'm gonna start crying, bro.
Unfortunately.
Fuck. fuck this shit, all right? Yo, I don't know if you guys saw me struggling for the past 20 minutes, but like, yo, I thought I did it correct. Turns out I kind of did it correct, but you know, I forgot to do something. You know what? Fuck this shit, bro. Fuck it. Fuck this shit, bro. All right, I'm gonna have my fucking self a seat, bro, and I'm gonna just watch you work, bro.
Yeah, you want gushy?
Yeah, I'll take a gushy, bro. Ugh. Thank you. Get to work, fool. There we go. That's what we're talking. That's what we're talking about. And all right, guys. After all of my hard work of me just sitting here and watching Austin work on the seat, I think it's finished. It's looking nice. And all right, guys. So I am back home, but crazy story. I almost crashed the RCF. Now I'm gonna explain how. So I was going back home from Austin's house, and I was on the highway. And for some reason, whenever it's like freezing cold, there's always fucking water on the highway. Now, water plus the cold obviously means ice. So, water was spilled all over the highway on the exit that I was about to take, just like this, except it was like all over. Now, good thing I wasn't speeding. So when I was taking the exit, my car drives through a sheet of ice like this, and yo, I lose control. Like, yo, I'm just sliding, right? Nothing I'm doing is working. I'm just sliding. At this point, I just accept my fate. I'm like, well, fuck. I'm just crash. Somehow I save it. I don't know how the fuck I saved it, but I saved it. And yeah, let's just say the ride home was hella quiet. But yeah, guys, just be careful if you guys are going out in cold temperatures. Just be careful of black ice on the highway, because this almost took me out. And that's what I drove over. And obviously, you know, we all know that in a rear-wheel drive car, if you come across ice on the highway, more than often or not, your car is done. You are totaled. So I'm really lucky. I came home, I parked the car ASAP, and I'm just, this is it. This is the end of the video of the night. If you guys came this far, just make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. And also, guys, have a remarkable holiday, Christmas, New Year's. Peace.